Hi everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. A great question I got the other day was, do sponsored ads cost the same as boosted posts? Great question, right? How much your ads cost on Facebook, regardless of whether it's a sponsored ad or a boosted post, depend greatly on a few factors. The first, your bid. How much do you want to spend on this ad? The second, your expected action, meaning what do you want people to do after they've seen your ad? And finally, relevancy. How relevant is the content that you're showing to your target audience? Are they responding well to it? If your audience is not responding well to what you're showing them in your ads, the cost to run those ads will increase quickly. Facebook wants to provide a personal and positive experience for its users. Facebook advertisers like you and me and small and local business owners, we're not Facebook's priority, because Facebook's priority lies with its users. Because if Facebook doesn't have users, there'll be no one to show ads to. So it wants to make sure that the ads that they are showing to its users are relevant and being responded to well, so that those users will continue to use Facebook. Makes sense, doesn't it? So if we were going to compare apples with apples, the same ad created through Ads Manager, the same ad created via the boost button, the same bid, the same settings, everything the same, then yes, in theory, sponsored ads and boosted posts should cost the same. I can't recommend highly enough that local businesses such as you and I start learning how to use Facebook ads via the Ads Manager and throw that boost button out for good. Quite simply, it's because Facebook Ads Manager gives you so much more options on what you can do with your ads, and so you can get more cost-effective results.